Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to use Mega to share large files. In order to do that, you have to first sign up in this website. First of all, you have to come in this Mega website. Just search on Mega on your browser and click on the first link. Now you have to sign up. Just create an account as you can see here. Now you have to enter your first name and last name. Now enter your email address. I will just add my temporary email. Now create a password for that and re-enter your password and give a check mark to all terms and conditions and hit on sign up button. Now it will send you email on your inbox to verify your account. Just go on your email and verify the account. As you can hear, I have verified my account, and this is the interface you are going to see. Now just simply click on add. Here you can see you can upload a file or upload a folder. If you want to create a new folder for that, for specific files, you can simply click on create files. I will create a new folder for that. Just click on create a folder, folder 1, and hit enter. Now as you can see here, the folder has been created, and just open it. Now go to your manager, file manager, select the file you want to upload in. For example, this is a large file. I want to upload this file. Just simply click on and drag into the uh, mega file. Now as you can see here, it holds 11 files. Just click on uploads. It will start uploading on mega. So this is the uploading has been started. All the file has been uploaded in the folder. Right now there is a one more file which is in the process. If you want to share this file, this specific file, just click on these three dots, and from there you have to click on the share link. Click on the share links and agree, and it will say if you want to send decryptive key separately, you can just simply click on that. If you just want simple link, you can just copy the link and share with anyone. Or if you want to remove a link, you can simply click on the remove link. Right now I will just simply create a link. If I want to share this link with someone else, I will just simply click the link in the browser, and as you can see here, I can easily access all the files I have uploaded. So this is how you can use Mega to share files. If this tutorial found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.